This is a quick video to show you about place value. Now place value just looks at what each value within a number represents. So for 472, this value here, the 4 represents the 400, the 7 represents tens, and the 2 is the units. So if we were to write that in this table, 472, the 4 would be in here, 7 and 2. That is the number 472 written in the correct position. Now looking at the next one, this is 63,629. Now 63,000, the 3 is thousands, and the 60 is the 10,000s. So to write it down, 63,000, 6 represents 100 because it's 629. Now 72.46. The same way we've got the tens and the thousands, we've got tenths, we've got hundredths, and we've got thousandths, and so on. That's when we go after the decimal point. So 72, 70 is in the tens, 2 is a unit, decimal point, and then 46. That is 72.46 written correctly in terms of place value. And last one, we've got 3,805,638.02. As long as you get the first one correct, 3 million, 3 is in the millions, the rest of it just flows on as we would just write the values down. 38.02, and that is all those values done correctly in terms of their place value. So with this diagram, it shows the temperatures in different countries, and we've got our scale on the temperature on the thermometer, but it doesn't tell you each value, but we know it goes up in fives, and so we can work out, for example, the temperature in New York following this arrow takes us to here. Now this one is 0, and we know we've gone up in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so each line is worth 1. So the temperature in New York is 1 degree Celsius. Beijing, looking at this one, takes us to this line, easy enough, we can read it straight off, it's -5. Paris, from here, now this fits halfway between the 2 points, so we've got 1, 2, 3, so we know this value here is 3, and this is halfway between, so it's going to be 3.5 degrees Celsius. Okay, can you have a go then at Seoul, so this value here, and at Tokyo, so this value here, remember this is halfway between the 2 points. And another very similar example, this time we're going up in 20s. Now the first thing you need to check is it's going up in 20s, but what does each line represent? What does each of these equal? So 0, we go 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get to 20. That means each bit in between needs to be 20 divided by 4, which is 5. So each part is 5. So it's 5, 10, 15, and then 20. Now with that in mind then, we can work out the length of the pencil. The pencil takes us to here. We'll go from 40, and it goes up in 5. So 40, 45, 50. So the length of that pencil is 50 centimeters. The stick, let's have a look at the stick, takes us to here. Look at 60, goes 5, 10, 15. So 60 plus 15 is 75 centimeters. Matchstick and the golf club, can you have a go at those on your own?